I'm going to show you how you can add the search feature to your order online page. Let's suppose you have an order online page, but you have lots of categories, lots of items, and you would like to add a search feature. That can be done, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. The first thing you do is go to the back end of your order online page, which is the dashboard. Once you're in the back end of your order online page, what you want to do is press Clover Orders, Settings, or you can go straight to Store Interface. But the place you want to do it from is called Store Interface. So here is the store interface. As you can see, there are 6 store interfaces at the time of this video's recording. Perhaps by the time you see this video, there may be more store interfaces, or maybe it may look different. But at this time, there are 6 of them. So the way you can see which interface you are using is see the button called Activated. So currently, Store Interface 5 is being used. I can switch it to Store Interface 4, 6, or any of these interfaces. Okay, so what you want to do now is see if the search feature is available for your store interface. So let's say I want to use this interface and I want to enable search feature. So what you would do is you press Customize, and then once you press Customize, you want to look through this list here to see if search feature is available. So what I'm doing here is I'm kind of scrolling down and looking at all the options. So I have page width, I have number of items per row, I have lots of different things here, but I don't have an option for search feature. So what that tells me is that search feature is not available option from the Customize field to enable that. Let's try Store Interface 4. Let's see if this one has it. Store Interface 4 seems to have even more options, but it does not have the search feature, as you can see by me scrolling up and down. Perhaps by the time you watch this video, Store Interface 4 may have the search feature available from this section, but at the time of this recording, it does not have it. So let's try Store Interface 6. Store Interface 6, let's see if this one has it. This one has it. There we go. Display search section. So it appears that only one of the 3 interfaces I tried has the search feature. But not everything is bad news, because I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to add search feature to the other store interfaces, a workaround. So here's how you do that. Let's say you are liking Store Interface 5 and 4, and you want a store interface for this feature, for this interface. Let's say you like these 2 or this one, but you want a search feature for one of these 3 because it's not found in the Customize section, but this one has it. Well, here's a workaround you can do. So what you would do is you go to Pages, All Pages, and then what you would do is press Order Online right here, press Edit. Okay, once you press Edit, wait for it to load. Wait for the page to load. Once it loads, what you do now is, here's how the page looks like. Okay, you're gonna go over here under Text. Yours may look different by the time you watch this video, as you know, technology changes and updates. Yours may say short code, but what you're going to look for is a word called MOO All Items. Okay, this word right here. What this word indicates is a code that shows your online menu. What we want to do is add another code above it. So all you do is copy this code and press the return button and put a code above it. Make sure not to delete this code, because if you delete this code here, you will lose your menu. It won't be visible. So don't delete the code. Just put another code above it. So I'm going to do paste. I'm pasting the same code again. The idea is not to paste the same code again. The idea is to add a search feature. The reason why I pasted the code again, because I'm making small changes to the code, to this code. So I'm going to type in moo search. So I have moo search and I have MOO All Items. Again, this is your whole menu and this is search. Okay, press save and exit. and then press update. Once you press the update button, you have to wait for it to update. So give it a few seconds to update. Once everything loads up again, go to your order online page, refresh the page. I have refreshed the page. Upon refreshing the page, you'll see a search option here. See how the search button came up now? So the search button shows up, and I can type in some item names, like, let me type in Coco or some kind of word. I tap in search, and then anything with that name will show up in the search box. So as you can see, everything here has that name, COCO, COCO, coconut, cocoa. And that's how you enable search feature on your order online page. Thank you so much.